Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will share a Instagram story hack with you. So if you want to make your Instagram story more attractive to your followers, watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all, you have to open your Instagram mobile application and you have to click on the your story on the left top. Now click on the camera. Okay, once you will do it, now here you will see different filters. So you have to search for the party light filter on your Instagram, and once you will do it, you will see colors are changing right here. So I record a video with it in the black background. So it's done. Now as you will see, the colors are changing. Now you have to click on the sticker icon on the right top here. Once you will do it, here you will see plus icon, so you have to click on it, and from here you have to select any video or the picture you want to upload in your story. So let's suppose I want to add this picture as a story. Now you will see picture is uploaded and colors are changing in the background, so it's look very attractive and very good. So you can simply share it with your friend. So this is the hack, or you can say it will help you to attract your follower on your story. So this is the procedure. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.